So developers are responsible for building up the infrastructure of the trading system. So there are two broad categories of what you might do. There's your strategy side, which is you're working with the traders and the quants to implement the trading strategies. So you're going to be figuring out, okay, what kind of, maybe we need to produce a new signal. So we need to figure out where the information comes from and what's the best way to disseminate the information across the entire system. On the execution side, you're going to be working closer with the hardware, with the network engineers, and figuring out what's the best way to send orders to the exchange. How does the exchange want the messages we send? And what format does it send messages back to us, and figuring out like the flow of information, and also experimenting with what's the best way to engage with a particular exchange. For example, maybe one type of order is actually faster than the exchange processes one type of order faster than another type of order. So you can run experiments, figure out what's the best way to get some sort of result, and what's the best way to send the order. So just like poking around, figuring out how to do that, what can give you an advantage in terms of latency. And then the last thing would be you'd also develop trading analysis tools and GUIs. So because the trader, they need to monitor the systems, they need to be able to have an easy way to react to the market conditions, and so they need these GUIs to really work.